Hi guys, how are you? So here are my kids. We're here at the car wash. It's a automatic car wash. Anyway, I'm here because I know you missed this part. I'm going to talk about the difference between a great deal and words with several. You know, you need to understand that in English there are words that you can pluralize and there are words that you should not or never. So for example would be information, jewelry, advice, blood, milk. So you know, basically you're not supposed to put S on these words. And so if you're going to use, or if you want to quantify it, you're going to say, for example, advice. Don't say advices. Instead, you say pieces of advice. Okay, now the pieces is now the subject. So pieces of advice are. Okay, so that's it. And also, if you are going to talk about the countable noun, like several, so you say, which is paired with countable noun, several people. Now, if you think about change, you don't say several changes because you cannot count change, but instead you say a great deal of change. For people, is it countable or not? It is countable, so you say several people. Okay? Now, these are the things that you should never forget, especially for your writing task 2 and your writing task 1.